Experiencing no service or data problems with your Total Wireless phone. These issues often stem from network connectivity, incorrect APN settings, or device-specific glitches. Start by checking your network signal strength. Poor coverage in rural areas or during network congestion leads to no service errors. Total Wireless uses Verizon's infrastructure, so issues often mirror Verizon outages. If signal is weak, restart your phone. This clears temporary software glitches that might cause connectivity issues. If that doesn't work, manually reset your APN settings. Find these under Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network Access Point Names. Ensure the APN is set to total and the username and password fields are blank. Airplane Mode Toggle is another basic way to reset your phone's connectivity. Turn it on for 30 seconds, then off. Malware can also cause connectivity issues by spoofing APN settings. Make sure your phone is secure and run a scan if needed. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, a manual APN reset is crucial. Access your APN settings and verify they are correct. Total Wireless offers AI-driven diagnostic tools in their app and on their website, which can automatically detect and correct APN issues. Consider switching to eSIM if your plan allows, as eSIMs have been shown to reduce APN errors. If problems persist, contact Total Wireless support for a SIM swap. Data throttling is a common issue after exceeding high-speed data limits, so check your data usage. Regular APN checks, especially after software updates, can prevent future data drops. With the rise of 5G, keeping your APN settings updated is increasingly important for stable data connections. Always prioritize security to prevent third-party apps from interfering with your APN settings. Remember, proactive APN management is key to reliable Total Wireless service.